Hello and welcome to another DaVinci Resolve video, and this time we'll be looking at how to create a picture-in-picture effect. Now this is useful in many different situations, and including, for example, in my videos when I want to do tutorial videos. So let's say, for example, we've got to insert another picture at one of the corners, and I've got another clip which I've got on top of my timeline here. I'm just going to enable it so you can see. This is my mug shot here. Now I want to put that in the corner. Now it's quite straightforward. You can just do it one way, and I'm just going to show you the normal way of doing it, and of course I'm going to show you the better way of doing it. So one way of doing it is just simply to change the zoom level of your image right down to there, and we could just change the position and just move along exactly where we want it. And it's perfectly fine doing that way. But there's an effect in DaVinci Resolve called DVE, which is useful for doing picture-in-picture. So to find that effect, make sure you have effects selected on the left-hand side here in the effects panel. Make sure that's also switched on. And in your search, you are searching for DVE, and just drag that onto the clip that you want to make small. As soon as you do that, you get the picture-in-picture effect. But the difference is with this, it gives you more control, including a little background around the picture like this, and we can also change various other bits and pieces. So let's say we're just going to position it where we want it. I'm just going to change the zoom level, something maybe like that for now. But one of the other things you can change, of course, is the border. We can change not only the default color. I can make this a little bit nicer. Maybe we can change it in blue if we wanted to, or maybe yellow. We can then change the radius, make it more of a round effect. You can see we can also change the shape via the crop and the width, as well as being able to change the opacity as well of the border. Another nice thing you can change is the drop shadow. If I expand that, I can create a drop shadow effect. So I'm just come in here, and you can see the drop shadow effect is just underneath. So it creates kind of more of a 3D effect. So all in all, the picture-in-picture effect from DaVinci Resolve is going to make your life a lot easier if you're doing this kind of effects in your DaVinci Resolve videos. Hope it's useful, guys, and don't forget, of course, to give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you soon on another DaVinci Resolve video.